So in the last lecture we've added this color field, and whenever we change it, it will refresh the whole iframe and the color will be reflected on our styles. But let's now do an improvement to this so that this color will be changed immediately without refreshing the iframe. So let's go to customize.php and let's choose transport here and set it to post message. So now we can run our JavaScript callbacks whenever this setting changes in the customize preview.js. So let's add one more callback and let's copy and change the setting name, which is the accent color. So now whenever this color changes, we will have the new value in the to variable. But what can we do with it? So remember when I told you in the source here that the inline style will have an ID. So what we can do is we can use this ID here to change the inline styling whenever the value changes. So let's use jQuery to select this style tag, and it's an ID, and using .html we can change the styles inside of it. So let's now set it to an empty string just to check if it's working. And let's go back now to the customizer. So now what we expect is whenever we change the color, these styles will be removed and the original color will be restored. So let's try this now. And let's inspect the iframe now. And inside the iframe, let's open the head tag. And somewhere we'll have our, here it is, the inline CSS. And now it's empty because we removed all the styles inside of it. So what we can do is we can replicate what we've done in the PHP, but this time using JavaScript. So let's copy this string, and inside the customize preview, we now need to append this string, but this time using the new color. So let's do this, but of course we'll have to change some stuff in this string. So let's open instead of the double quotes, a backtick, and close it. And then to use a variable inside a backtick string, we can type $, and the variable that we want to put here is the accent color, the to variable. I think this should work, so let's try it out. So as you can see, each time we change the color, let's inspect it again, and let's open the inline, and as you can see, the content inside this div will change to our new color using the CSS, using JavaScript. So this looks great, but there is however a problem with it, is that you probably, if you have a large template, you will probably have a lot of CSS styles here. So to duplicate the selectors each time you want to add a selector here in the PHP and in the JavaScript, this could not be very efficient. So let's try to figure out a way in order to avoid repeating ourselves in the next lecture.